I'm
Ma'am.
fine, ma'am. How about
Good
you?
evening.
I'm fine, bache. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. How are you? Okay, some of your cameras are still off. I think it would be nice if you could on your cameras. I would like to see all your cute, beautiful faces. You can see me, right? I wish to see you also. Please on your cameras. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Good evening, bache.
Ma'am, you were in my maths class also, right?
I was in your maths class. Very good. You have seen me. Fine.
Yes,
Very nice.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Yes, many of you are from grade 4, 3, all those things. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Sure. So shall we start? Ready for logical reasoning webinar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
good energy, very nice. See, people are with full on energy, right? Okay, with this full on energy, let's start our webinar on logical reasoning. First of all, we want to start this logical reasoning as a combined batch for classes 2 to 4. So here you people are from grade 2, grade 3, grade 4. So all the three different grade children are in this group. Okay. Now we will start about MTG because we are here on the name of MTG. So MTG is all about a publication company, MTG Learning Media, which was established in 1982, and from then millions of students have been getting their excellence in academics by using MTG contents. And we have been serving in different competitive exams, whatever it could be for higher grades or lower grades like NEET, JEE, for Olympiads, for foundation courses, for school books. So different books are being prepared by MTG, and using those books, many people are getting good ranks and medals. And you can find MTG as India's #1 publisher. We are serving students and teachers in 70 different countries, right from kindergartens to 12th class, and different test materials. All together, till date, 16 crores of our books and copies have been sold, and 1.96 schools and coaching centers are using our materials. And we are being associated with nearly 6.5 lakhs teachers in their academics
Good
with the
afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon, dear. Good afternoon. Now coming to reasoning. So in MTG online classes program, we are conducting reasoning classes. Why are we conducting reasoning classes? So that you can master the reasoning concepts. Reasoning concepts are very important because you can find those concepts being used in different Olympiad exams like IMO, NSO, ICSO, like different exams are there. These are all conducted by SOF. But apart from that, there are many other exams also, many talent search exams are there which are conducted in India and out of India where reasoning is a part of it. So such an important topic is reasoning. Okay. So important topics are considered as a part of any exam. Either it could be related to maths, science, cyber Olympiad, no matter what. And as you all know, MTG is the official partner of SOF. So whatever the things that you learn for the reasoning or whatever the books that we provide for reasoning is prepared keeping in mind the pattern of SOF exams. So all your SOF pattern questions and chapters will be covered in this online syllabus.
Ma'am.
Now coming to topics. What are we discussing? Okay, our webinar is on logical reasoning. How is logical reasoning being used in different exams? We have understood. Now in today's session, what will we discuss? That we will see. First, I will let you know what is logical reasoning. Okay. Then I will help you how it will help you in your daily life and also in your examinations. Why do you need a special coaching for logical reasoning? That also we will see. And in that special coaching, our online classes program, how is it better than any other thing that we will study? Later, we will see different patterns of logical reasoning questions. At the end, as you all are welcome to unmute and ask your queries. So shall we
Ma'am.
start?
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am.
Now, yes, bache.
Ma'am, what's the full form of ICSO?
International Cyber Olympiad, bache. We will be having that computer-based exams, isn't it? So
Yes.
that is for that. Okay. Now we will be understanding logical reasoning. Logical reasoning is nothing a rocket science subject. It is one simple thing which you use every day in day-to-day life. But it will be in different way when you study the concepts of it. Now, for example, first line, what is it saying? The mental relationship between the cause and effect is all about reasoning. Okay? Now, for example, you are just doing your homework. All of a sudden, your mama got something most favorite to you as a surprise in a bowl. What will you do immediately by looking into it? Wow, you'll scream. Or you'll go and give a tight hug to your mom. Isn't it? Or immediately you'll grab the bowl to eat it or drink it, whatever it is. So, what is the cause happening there? It's a simple thing of that you have been shown something which is most favorite to you. The immediate reaction how you gave, you just showed your happiness in some other way by hugging or taking the bowl or screaming, something other way you did it. So this is all about simple logics. Anything when you correlate it to subjects, of course what I said is a daily thing that happens, but same such things when you are able to correlate with arts and science. Arts and science means pictures and science. When you are able to correlate those things and find logics in it, that is all about logical reasoning. You know what? Logical reasoning is not only used in Olympiads. Even if you grow very big and if you write big exams, once you are around some 20, 22, 24, many government exams and many competitive exams are conducted. Whether you get maths and science in that or not, but logical reasoning for sure will be there. Such an important topic is logical reasoning. Some exams may not be having science, but they may have logical reasoning. So this is such an important topic. Depending on your level, as you grow age by age, the level of difficulty in logical reasoning will increase. So as I've told you, in many foundation programs and exams, we will find logical reasoning. Yes? Who want to speak? So as I've told you, if you want to excel in those exams, you should be very competitive along with logical reasoning. Now, for example, let us think Krishvin want to write IMO exam. If she study only maths, will she get a medal? No. Why? She is very good at maths. She completes all the questions perfectly. Everything is right. But logical reasoning is also part of the paper, na? So if she is not familiar with the topics, how will she top the exam? How will she get good score? So along with your regular math, science, English, whatever the other subjects you have, with that, logical reasoning is very important. This is not only important for exams, children. This is important to analyze, understand different. So, as I've told you, how is it important? How will it help you? It enhances your focus because you'll be getting very good focus on your problem solving or studying. It will make your brain more sharp. It will make you think and take decisions. You'll be confident among your friends and classmates. And it will give you a lot of thinking ability to solve the hot questions. In the Olympiad papers, you'll have achiever questions, isn't it? So to solve all those things, you need more of critical thinking. That will come because of logical reasoning. Now, we will see what are the topics that you have in logical reasoning content. Like you'll be having a patterns chapter, you'll be having coding decoding chapter, analogy and classifications, ranking test. See, all of these are different chapters in logical reasoning. Alphabet test, embedded shapes, mirror images. You'll be having concepts on geometrical shapes and grouping those figures, combinations, days and dates. All of these are the different topics in logical reasoning concepts. So now would you like to see some questions in this? What is this analogy? What is this coding and decoding? Do I need to write any secret codes? No. What is all this? We will understand it by just looking one simple sample questions. Okay? Now, let me start with the first topic, which is on patterns. Now, I will give you questions. All of you send me your answers in the chat box. To whom will you send? You will send to Padma Priya co-host. In the chat box, you will find my name. You will send your answers to me. I will check who is right or wrong. And I'll call you people. Whom am I calling? They will unmute to answer. Let's see who is going to answer all the questions. Who is more active in the class? Shall we check? Shall we start our countdown? Are you ready? Inshara, why so serious, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Have good smile. Good. We are not writing the exam. We are here in the webinar. We should be active. Have good energy. Bring some good energy. Take up 2-3 sit-ups and sit in the class. Okay? Okay. Now let's see. Here is the first question on patterns. Okay. My question on patterns is this one. You can see some numbers are there. Among these numbers, one number is missing. That chicken is crying. I don't know my number. Please help me. It is asking. Please help that chicken finding its number. All of you send your answers to me. Arjun, will you like to answer this question, bache? Arjun.
B.
B for book.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let us check. Okay, let me call someone else for the answer. Pawan Kumar.
Can I give the answer?
Yes, dear. Tell me.
A.
A you want to go with. Okay. Yes, Krisha, what you want to go, dear bache?
A.
Okay.
270. 270.
Okay, dear. Savita, what do you want to go, dear?
Ma'am, the answer is A.
8.
270.
Okay, 270. So some of you are saying A and some of you are saying the answer is D. I got different answers in my chat box. One person gave me B also. Now let us see who is right. A, B or D. Shall we check? Okay, we will start checking it. Here, if you observe, you can see that the numbers are decreasing here, isn't it? 495, 470, likewise, all the numbers are going down by down. They are decreasing. Now, how much is the decrement happening here? Who will say how much is it decrementing? Arpita, can you say how much is reducing?
25.
35. So, I am subtracting 35. Now, from the second chicken to the third chicken, how much is the value going down?
Ma'am, from the first
35.
chicken, there is 25, not 35.
Very good. Very good. I was waiting that someone will correct it. Yes, it is 25. Perfectly said. That is why if you observe the second one, you can clearly visualize that the first one is wrong. Or even the difference, if you do, you can know that. Very good, Advit. Very good. Now, second one number, second chicken to third chicken. How much is the difference?
35.
Very nice. After this, how much is the difference?
45.
45.
45.
Then automatically we can understand. Next it will be
55.
then it is 55.
65.
Now subtract 335 and 65. You will get your answer. Very good in subtractions, isn't it? Yes, Dairya, what is the subtraction of 335 and 65?
270.
270. So what is our answer? Option A. Very good. Very good. Got it? So, likewise, we get answer as option A. So, A is the right answer. Likewise, you are able to see some pattern followed by numbers. So, patterns will be on numbers, shapes, alphabets. Different things are being possible on different numbers and shapes and alphabets. That will be this chapter. Now, we will go for next thing. Now, see, there is a secret code. Now, for example, sometimes you'll be talking in secret with your friends, isn't it? Like you'll be telling some secret to mama. You'll go and whisper in mama's ear, Mama, I want this. Mama, I want that. Mama, do this. So, same way, you can use different secret codes in studying also. Like here you see, every alphabet is given a symbol. That symbol is a code for it. Now, using these clues, you have to find what will be the secret code for the word study. Find it out.
Ma'am, it's option number D.
Call up. I will call. Don't worry. Don't unmute. I will call up. Wait a minute. Let me see how many children will be with patiently waiting. Alan, what is the answer for this, dear? Alan, are you there? Nangi, are you there?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay. Yes, Arjun,
D.
tell me.
D.
D. D for dog.
D for dog.
Okay. That is your answer. Fine. Let me check my chat box answers. Yes, Krisha, which answer you want to go with?
D. Ma'am, D.
You also want to go with D? Okay. Inchara,
Ma'am,
what
D. D.
Okay, you want to go with D. So all of you are going with D. Now let us check whether D is the right answer or not. So see here, first is yes. What is the shape for S? Yes has the shape STUDY. Yes has a symbol is equal. Next T has a symbol which is a triangle. Next U has a lesser than sign. D has a plus sign and Y has a minus sign. So all of these are properly in option D. Perfect. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. All your answers are right. Very good, children. And you people are giving it so fast. Very nice to see that. Okay. Now we will go for the next topic. Analogy and classification. What is this analogy? This is something like biology, zoology. Isn't it? No, this is very simple thing. This is all about pictures, shapes, numbers, all those things. But we need to understand the relation. Okay? Now let us look at question on this. See here, this is on alphabets and numbers. They are telling in this question, this E letter has a relation with this number 12. E letter has a relation with this number 12. Now, same way, T will have a relation with what number is the question. Okay. If you want, I will give a clue. Shall I give a clue? What is the clue is count the number of lines in the alphabets. Count the number of lines.
Ma'am, can I tell?
You want to tell? Okay, tell me.
8.
It's 8.
Ma'am, 8.
Okay. Dhairya, what is your answer, dear? Okay. Yes, Krishvi?
B.
Unmute and speak.
B.
B.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Dear, tell me.
C.
C, 6. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Priyadarshini, tell me.
8.
8. Okay. And there was one more person who unmuted. Ashutosh. Yes, bache, what do you want to go with?
Ma'am, I cannot understand the questions.
No worries. Very good. Very good. And I'm happy that you unmuted to say that you didn't understand. Very good, Bhaiya. Very good, dear. Very good. I appreciate it. No worries. I will explain. Do not.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, who couldn't understand it, I will explain it. See, children. Okay. Now I said count the number of lines in this alphabet. I said. Shall we start counting? How many sleep lines are there? See. 1, 2,
2.
3, 4, 5, 6 sleeping lines are. And standing lines 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The small one is also line only. This is also line only, no? Is there any
Yes.
rule that line should be always like Priya ma'am long or like Ashutosh small? No. It can be any size. Line is a line, isn't it? So small is also a line, big is also a line. So all of these are small lines. In this alphabet, there are 12 lines. Now Ashutosh, count how many lines are there in T, bache?
Ma'am, 8.
Very good. Now understood? Is that easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, likewise, everything will have a relation. So, analogy is all about making relation between two things. Either it could be two pictures, alphabets, numbers, shapes, no matter what. But when we go for the chapter, we will understand how to make relations, how to identify relations, how to solve those questions. All those different thinking will be understood in that analogy. Okay, so this is all about analogy. Now we will go for the next concept. Here we go. Okay, there is a puzzle. Oh my god. This puzzle is about ranking test. What is this ranking test? Tall to short, fat to lean, big to small, top to bottom. Likewise, when you are making arrangements of objects or people, that is all about ranking test. Now, first suppose, think that. I will give example. We will not solve this question. Before this question, I will give you one important point. See here. Now, first suppose, I will say that I've called first, Krishvi first I've called. Okay. After that, I've called Arpita. After that, I called Arpita. Then I have called, let us think, Arjun. I called Arjun after that. Then I have called, let me call up someone. Whose name shall I take? Ojas. Okay, after that I called Ojas. Now, if I give this list and if I tell, whom did I call third? What will you say? Arjun. Isn't it? You are able to rank the person. Whom did I call in the last? You are able to say Ojas. Likewise, as per the given things, when you arrange the given objects, people or pictures in the given order, which is first, which is last, which is middle, likewise you are able to rank it. That is all about ranking test. Now solve this question. Try to solve it. I will help if you can't. Pratiksha, this is for primary grade, bache. For grade 8, it is tomorrow, dear. Tomorrow, same time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can join tomorrow's webinar, bache. Okay, there are different answers in my chat box. Shall we see what is the right answer? Okay, we will start doing this question. I have answers of D, B in my chat box. Who is right? We will check. Shall we start? Anyone need time to solve this? No? You want time? Okay, dear. Take it. Take it.
Ma'am, it's D.
Okay, bache. It's okay. You want to go with the? Okay. Panchavan, what answer you want to go with?
C.
Okay. C you want to go with? Okay. Ranak, what answer you want to go with, bache? Pragnamayi, what answer you want to say, bache? Prateek? Okay, you people sent me in the chat box. Okay, that's fine. Fine.
Ma'am, can I say
Ah, yes, dear, you can say.
D?
You want to go with D? Let us check whether D is right. Okay. Yes, Krishvi?
Ma'am, not D. It is B.
B. Okay, you want to go with B. Okay, fine. Yes, Krishvi, what is your
A.
answer, dear?
A.
Uh-huh.
A.
A. Okay, fine. Let us see whether it is A, B, or D. First of all, how many people are there? 5 people are there. Correct? Okay. So if you start first person, second person, third person, fourth person, and fifth person, we will start like this. Okay. If you have problem with these numbers, I will write with the normal numbers. Okay. So first person, second person, third, like this we will see. Now we will start arranging. Sapna, she stood just after Megha. Okay. Sapna stood after Megha. Now for suppose, wherever Megha is there, now Sapna will be after Megha or not? Yes or no? This is what the meaning is. Now which positions they are there, we will do later. Now again they are telling, Riya has only one girl behind her and Megha is not first. So we can't put Megha here. We can't write it here because they said Megha is not in the first place. They said Kriti, she has Sapna, she is after Sapna. So Sapna is already with us. After her, we have Kriti. Isn't it? They only said. So I used this one and I used this one. Okay. Now there is 2 more statements. What is it? Riya and Komal. Komal, she is before Riya. So Komal is somewhere like this and she is before Riya. Okay. Now, whether you should put these 2 people after them or you should put these 2 people before. Now, where should I put? Now, for suppose, let us think, if I take Komal and Riya here, Megha will become first or not? Can I put Megha first? No. They said Megha is not first. So, what should I do? Megha will be in the 3rd place and Sapna will be in the 4th place. Kriti will be in the 5th place. Then automatically Komal and Riya will become the first and the second. Now tell me, who is in the first and last places?
No, ma'am. Riya only has one girl behind her, so that is wrong.
Yeah, Riya has only one girl behind her. See? Only one girl is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 people, if all are standing, Riya is in the second place, then back of her only one person is there, na? Komal. Right or wrong? Now is it out clear, bache? One of you is trying to speak, but you're not audible to me. Anyone who has a doubt, you can ask me. Tell me.
Sir, but
Tell me once, no?
Riya is having only one person behind her.
Ah,
So she should be at the fourth place. And there should be only one person behind her.
I'll tell you. See, first person who went, second. Okay, you are understanding. Okay, your perception of behind means my perception of behind means backside. Your perception of behind means after that. You are telling fourth place. If it is fourth place, after fourth you have fifth, or behind fourth you have fifth. Your logic is you are arranging numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, like this you are arranging. Correct? Once, if you arrange like this, if you see Riya here, Komal will come here. Got it? But when we are
Yes.
talking about positions, we will see either horizontally or vertical. Okay, I will come to your logic also. Wait a second. If I make that perception here, what you said, that also I will try. Okay? What you said also I will try. See here. Now, the same line will become reverse or not? First will come Kriti. Next will come Sapna. After that, you will get Megha. After that, you will get Riya. And after that, you will have Komal. Correct? Once. If I write like this also, I will get the same list or not?
Yes.
Now, who are in the first and last position? Komal and Kriti only know.
Yes.
So, however you write, the answer is right. But this word respectively makes a lot meaning. What does the word respectively stand means? First name what you take, he is in the first place. Last name what you take is in the last place. So, the arrangement can't be like this. This is not the correct arrangement. The arrangement is this one. So, see how much of thinking is there in this question. The question is all about simple 5 people standing in a line. Okay? So, how do you think? Matters. Got it once? Any doubt?
Yes.
Let me know. All of these things only we will learn in the live classes. This is a simple question. Like this, when different questions are there, how to think? Which is from top to bottom? Which is from left to right? Who comes first? Who comes last? Learning that is only important things in the chapter. That important tips and tricks only we will teach you in the live classes. Okay? So now understood why is the answer C, not A or D? Anybody, any doubt? You can ask me, children. Is it clear now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Tell me, bache.
ma'am, how do we calculate who is in front of this and who is like back of her?
Okay. Simple thing. When you start horizontally, left side, right side will come. Isn't it? Now, when you start basing the people, first person, second person, third person, when you make a line like this, automatically one will be behind two or not?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Same way, if you start observing from one will be before two or not?
Yes.
So, that logics you will be understanding by reading the questions scenario. In different questions, different scenarios will come. In this question, we understood behind means before. Behind means before. So, depending on the question and the situation, whether they are standing horizontally or they are placed one above the other, like if it is books or objects, we can place one above the other. So, they will give you different scenarios to understand this thing. This ranking test chapter is all about that one. All these crucial points and their tips and how to solve it, we will understand in that chapter, in live session. Okay, Krishna?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bacha. Now, see here, how many of you are good in English? Let us check now. Okay, There are some 6 letters. You have to arrange these letters to get a meaningful word. Let me see how many of you are very good in English spellings.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Tell me, dear.
Wait.
No, option. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes, bache.
option is A.
Okay.
Ma'am, option is A.
Okay. Anyone else with a different answer other than A?
Option A.
Ma'am,
Oh.
option A.
Yes, dear.
A.
Okay, bache. Excuse me, sorry. Okay, absolutely correct. You people are right. A is the right answer. Now, what are the letters? Order 3, 1, 5, 2, 4, 6. If I write it, I will get W, E, I, G, H, T. What is this word about? Weight. So, obviously, weight is a meaningful word. How heavy or how light is something, that discussion is all about weight. So, A is the right answer. Perfectly said. Very good, very good, very good. Clap for yourself. You people don't like clapping for yourself. Nobody was wrong in this. All were right. I'm happily clapping for all of you. Very good, very good. Pragnamai is absolutely very good, perfectly clapping for others. But you people are not clapping for others. Now we will go for the next one, embedded figures. You'll be solving crossword puzzles, isn't it? All of you. Making a picture with that pieces of puzzles. And you'll be knowing which part to keep where. Embedded figure is also like that one. Out of these given options, which part is hidden inside that picture, you should find out. Let me see how many will find out. Which part is hidden in the picture, you should find out. Tell me, dear. Answer is?
Ma'am, answer is D.
Oh my God. Advait.
Ma'am, answer is B.
Slowly, children. Slowly.
D.
Don't worry. Don't get tense.
D.
Oh,
Answer is D.
Ma'am,
Oh.
D.
okay, but.
Answer is D.
Okay,
Answer
Savita.
is D. Yes, sir.
Okay, Seema.
पुढच्या shape मध्ये बनवले. Yeah.
Perfect. But once you people answer, I think you should mute. Isn't it? Good, children.
D.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yes, Atish. Sorry, Atish. Sorry. Ashutosh. Sorry, bache. Sorry for mispronouncing your name. Yes. All of you are right. It is absolutely correct. D is the answer. Now, let us see where is the D hiding. Okay? D is here. This is the D part. Isn't it? So D is hiding over there. But we found the thief. So we got the answer. Isn't it? Perfect. Very good, all of you. Very nice. Now here is the next one. We will understand images. Mirror images. Do you all look yourself in the mirror? Yes or no? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How nice is my dress? How beautifully I'm eating my popsicle. Isn't it? Do you do it? I do it. I do it. Now we will see mirror images. Now when you look into the mirror, what happens? Yeah. Now for example, I'm holding my pen. I hold my pen in right hand. In my mirror, how will I see that?
Ma'am, in the left hand.
Left hand. Do you people have a
Left
habit
hand.
of selfies in the mobile? Very good. Yes, I take selfie, isn't it? Many take. Some of you are getting good smile also by looking the word selfie. So you take many good selfies, Mama, Papa pictures, yeah, pictures. In selfie, how do you find yourself? left right changing, isn't it? Now, for suppose think that Krishvi
Yes.
is eating a popsicle and he's taking a selfie. She has popsicle in her right hand, but in the selfie, it shows that Krishvi has a popsicle in her left hand. Correct? So mirror
Yes,
image
ma'am.
Yes.
that only. Now I'll ask one thing. Will you tell? Now, for example, I'm standing in front of the mirror. Now, will my head become leg and leg become head?
No,
Will
ma'am.
I be-
No, ma'am.
No. What will change?
No.
Left and right will change. Top and bottom will change? No.
No.
Top and bottom will not change. So that is the important logic in mirror image. Now use that logic and find the image of this. Yes, Anat?
Ma'am, answer is D.
Option C.
C. Okay.
Answer
Anat
is
wants
D.
the person with D. No.
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am,
D.
D.
Okay, bache.
Ma'am, D.
Okay, Ojas. Okay.
Ma'am, D.
Okay, Ashutosh.
Ma'am, B. Mama.
Okay, dear.
D.
Okay.
D. D. D, ma'am.
Okay, bache. I'm happy to see that more than half of the class of the children are ready to unmute and answer. Very nice. But I'll be happy even the rest could send the answers. It's okay if you don't unmute, but at least you should send your answers in the chat box. Like there are many people, Mahima and Pratik. There are many people who are not sending answers. Vansh is sending. Vansh is unmuting and speaking. Okay, sorry, Vansh. Okay. Okay. So, like this, all of you are going with D. All my chat box answers are also going with D. Very good. Perfect answers. Angi, please check this answer, dear. If this is for this question. Otherwise, it is okay. No, it is not for this question. Okay, fine. Okay. Yes. D is the right answer. Very good. Why D is the right answer? Because if you see this or a pink color or peach color, whatever this color it is, this arrow mark is on the left side. So in the image, it should go to the right side. So you should pick, this can't be the answer. And another thing, if you observe, the blue arrow is downward. So in the answer also, the blue arrow should be downward. So this also can't be the answer. Now coming to B and D. If you observe, both arrows are very close to each other and this non-arrow part is away. But here you see, the non-arrow part is going in between. That can't happen. So D is the right. The mirror image questions are very crucial. Why? Because it is not only able to find what is the correct answer. You should be able to know why the other answers are wrong. Why is it, when you go for higher classes, in mirror images, most of the options will be looking same. But that small mistakes you should be able to identify. That is why whenever you solve mirror images questions, you should know what are the other mistakes also. Okay, so perfectly right. All of you are very good. And you got the D right answer. Very good. Clapping for ourselves. Now we will go for the next topic. And now the topic is going to be geometrical shapes. How many of you are good in shapes? Lines, circles, triangles. All of you. Very good. All of you raising your hands. Very nice. Okay. Now let's see how many of you are good. Count the circles.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Ma'am, 16.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Who is
16,
that?
8, 17. Ma'am,
Unmute and speak, children.
ma'am,
Yes,
B.
Ojas?
15. Ma'am,
15.
B.
Ma'am, A.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
A.
A.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, A.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, A.
Ma'am, B. Ma'am, B. Ma'am,
Oh.
B.
Ma'am, A.
If you people have said your answers, please mute. Do not unmute again.
Ma'am,
Once
B.
you tell your answer, I can understand.
17.
I'm
B.
seeing all their names. Okay. Now we will see the right answer. Some of you are going with A. Some are going with B. 1 or 2 people are going with D. Now we will see who is the right person. Shall we check?
B.
I will start
Start
counting. You also should count with.
B.
Okay. No, no unmuting. No unmuting. You people said your answers by unmuting. That's all. Now I will count it. You will observe it. Now let's start counting. See here. First, we have a circle on the top of the train. 1. Next, we have in front of the train. 2, 3, 4, 5. This inner circle 6, outer circle 7. Okay. Likewise here also. Inner circle 8, outer circle 9. Inner circle 10, outer circle 11. Outer circle 12, inner circle 13. There is a black circle, that is 14. Same way, here also outer circle 15, the middle one 16, the inner black circle 17. So how many circles are there totally? 17. Understood? So you should carefully observe. You'll be thinking, just a circle only, what's a big deal? But see, circles only misleaded us. So you should be very careful in counting this. This geometrical shapes improves your observation. How carefully you'll observe. Even sometimes your mama or papa will be telling when they are making you study. See, you didn't observe carefully, you wrote a wrong spelling. See, you didn't write it properly, you did a wrong calculation. You should observe. Observation will come by this geometrical shapes concepts. So, this is a very important concept. Oh God, wait. There was a wrong screen. Let me correct it. 1 second. Now the screen is correct. How many of you use calendars to observe your birthdays, festivals, holidays? All of you do that, isn't it? Now let's see how many of you are good in reading calendars. When will my birthday come next year? When will Diwali holiday come? When will summer holidays come? You'll be observing in calendar all this, isn't it? Do you ever observe when is my exam coming? No, all of you are naughty fellas, I know that.
Ma'am, D.
D? D for
Ma'am,
Delhi?
D.
Okay.
D.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, D.
15
Ma'am, D.
B.
Ma'am,
D
D. D.
D.
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am, D.
Oh. Okay, no worries. It's B or D, we will check.
Ma'am, answer A.
A. Okay.
Ma'am, the answer is C.
Answer is C. Okay, all options are there. Pragnamai thought all are telling A, B, D. C is alone crying. I will pick Pragnamai. So cute, bache.
Third
You didn't
Friday.
give options.
Third Friday is 18. 3
D,
days.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, B.
B.
Ma'am,
Okay.
answer D.
No worries. All options you people took. I don't want to choose anything. One person picked the one. I will tell you whose answer is. Shall we see? Okay. What is the question? Abhishek's swimming competition was held held for 3 days before 3rd Friday. First we will see which is 3rd Friday. On Fridays, which is the 3rd one? 1st, 2nd, 3rd. This is the 3rd Friday. And 3 days before 3rd Friday. This is 3rd Friday. Before it, 3 days if you see. 1, 2, 3. So when did it start? Obviously it can't start on 17. 17 after 16, 15 will come, or 15 after 16, 17 will come. Obviously 15, then 16 and 17. So it started on 15th June. That is the answer. Who went for A? By mistake, you have seen it reversely. 17, 16, 15 you are seeing. But the starting date can't be 17, no? If anything which starts on 15, that will end on 17 for 3 days. So the answer is D, 15th June. Understood now what is the right answer? Clear? So did you enjoy understanding these questions and solving it? How many of
Yes,
you enjoyed it?
ma'am.
Raise your hands. Very good, very good. I'm able to see all of your raised hands. Very nice. Now, likewise, there will be many tricks and techniques to solve the questions faster. How to understand some difficult level questions. For all of these, you need special coaching. And in that, we will guide you which topic you can easily solve by certain tricks. Like for example, ranking test chapter. There are so many tricks in ranking test chapter which can help you to solve the questions easier. To know all those tricks, we need to learn it in a proper classes. For that, we are conducting our online classes which can help you score much better in all your Olympiad exams. And these are your batch timings. You can see now class 2, 3, 4, all the children are here. You can look into your timings. The sessions are going to be on Wednesday and Saturday. Okay. And the timing is going to be 6:30 to 7:30. How many classes will be there totally? 22 classes will be there. And when is it starting? It is starting on 14th May. You can see here. All of you can observe. It is starting on 14th May on. And what are your timings? 6:30 to 7:30, Wednesday and Saturday. Clear, children? See, it is mentioned here also. When is the classes starting? 14th May. Okay? So, now it is your thing to observe what all specialities we have in our classes. In the classes, as I've told you, you will be given 22 live sessions. And we will teach various chapters and also we'll give you more and more practice from every topic that we have seen today. And you have doubt sessions also. You can ask your doubts in the class with the teacher. Apart from it, you will have separate doubt classes. Now, for suppose you asked a doubt in the class, you are doing your assignment or weekly test, there you got some doubt. How to clear it? That also will be cleared in the doubt sessions. And every class will be for 1 hour. Okay? Even after the class or in between the class also, you can ask your doubts. After every class, what you have learned, to practice it, you will be having assignments also. You will be getting weekly test also. All of this will be available online. And you will be given worksheets also. More and more questions are given to you for practicing. And every class will be interactive. As today you people, me first, you people answered, na? Likewise, in every class you will be given chances to ask your doubts and answer your questions. You can ask your queries. You can look into the recordings. Now, for suppose, think that Arpita missed today's class. She want to go for a function or for a wedding. She didn't look into the class today. Then how will she know what is going on in today's class? So, after coming back from the wedding, she can go with the recording. And after the recording also, if she has any doubt, she can come back to the next classes or in the doubt classes, she can ask her doubts. And all of these things will be accessible through your mobile apps which MTG will provide. Okay? Yes, Krishvi, what is your doubt, dear?
Ma'am, when will be the doubt classes?
Doubt classes are also there, dear.
Like at what time?
Same time, same day, same hours. Okay?
Okay.
So, and some of you may feel, I can't wait. Now, for example, Wednesday class is done. Till Saturday, you can't wait for your doubt. What can you do? You can ask your doubts in this WhatsApp numbers or you can mail us to this mail ID. You can ask your mama, papa to help you for that. So, you can send your doubts in this. If you have any queries in getting your assignments, recordings or anything, you can ask all your doubts in this. Not doubts. Ma'am, tomorrow morning, should I wake up at 9 o'clock? Not that doubts. Doubts relating to logical reasoning. whatever doubts you have on the concepts, you can ask that doubts through this helpline numbers and mail IDs. Okay? So that is what all about our program. Now, whoever has queries, you can ask your queries. Any questions, you can ask us. Anybody, any questions?
What are the fees?
What is the fee? Rekha ma'am, over to you. Rekha ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So,
Please.
yes, team will be replying for this. Utsav, I hope you're in the webinar.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Please take the query.
Yeah, I just joined. Can you repeat the query?
What is the fee structure for the program?
Okay, so for logical reasoning, we are having the fee structure as 6,599 plus GST. 18% GST are applicable on the online courses.
Okay.
Okay, but as it was already mentioned in the webinar earlier also that we are offering a 10% discount also. I hope that was already mentioned here.
No, Gausav, it's not mentioned here.
Okay, no problem. Anyone who is interested to, join the batch, they can just reply. They can just contact on my number directly. You can note down my number.
So there is a link given in the group, I mean in the chat box. So whoever have a query or you want to give out your queries or feedbacks, you can enter that link, children, and you can ask your parents.
Right,
You will get all the
right.
Okay.
So we have shared the link also in the WhatsApp in the chat box here. So if you have any inquiry or if you are interested for the online classes, you can just fill up the form. There's a short form there that you need to fill up. So we will be contacting you based on that, and we will provide you the details accordingly. Or if you want, you can also directly contact me on my I hope you have all joined from our MTG WhatsApp group only. So the admin numbers are always available for contacting, so you can contact on our admin numbers as well.
I'm showing the numbers on the screen also, children, so you can
Yeah,
call
these are the numbers. These are the numbers. You can call us on these numbers as well for any
query.
inquiries. So we are available from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay. And Pawan, it's okay if you are from the higher grade. If you want to join tomorrow's session, tomorrow it's going to be live for same webinar for higher grades. You can join us by then. But it's your choice. But I suggest you to join because today you are in the lower class. You may not feel that the content is up to your mark because it's for primary grades. So in tomorrow's session, we will be taking up the logical reasoning for higher grades. There you'll understand what will be the content for it. So please do join the same time tomorrow through the link which will be provided. Okay. Okay. Any more queries, children? Okay. If you have no queries, shall we end up the class? Okay.
Yes,
Good to
ma'am.
go. Okay. I wish to see you all in your live sessions. Bye for now. Let's meet again on 14th May. Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bache.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.